Yeah, my people, yo. Watch my people, yo. Me have to laugh. This funny F. F in vodka. Yo, watch you going. So me go to know people what the here, see? I see this brother have video on TikTok. Let me see what his name. Gerald Jerome One Law. See him? Gerald Jerome. No, watch out. Me go and see this man have video, you know. And told this man a twang. By the look of him, I could have tell say a Jamaican, because I know my people, you see? But told the man a twang, and I play the video for the ear. Told the man a twang, you know. And then the background look like a yard him there. Cause look on the background, look up in the roof, look on the painting, the color of the wall and the painting. You know? It look like some, like, some place at Jamaica. This definitely, this not look like a place of foreign. See? I understand say have enough pop down place of foreign. Well, you see me I say? We can be deceived and, you see me? Yeah, it can show we have. We'll see some place in a foreign and things say, a Jamaica, to it kind of pop down. And we, you see me? I'm not say Jamaica pop down, But, say enough suffer there Jamaica. We know enough suffer there foreign too. But when I get to me, I say, I don't have to go into that. So, I play the video for the ear this money, a twang, on a pre in background and everything. You see me?
This is for all y'all niggas that wake up with a lower energy and lower vibration of yourself, bro. For real, for real. Y'all need to stop thinking and caring what people have to say about y'all. You feel me? I mean,
You
it's good for
feel
people
me?
to motivate y'all to a next step, but you got to use yourself to motivate yourself to make that next step. You feel me? Y'all, most of y'all wake up not even working, bro, and y'all depending on people to help y'all motherfuckers get
You
the fuck
feel
up,
me?
bro. You still doing what you doing? Stop fucking playing like that for sure. I ain't doing all this motherfucking for y'all to just watch.
You see? So people, I saw that and I was like, yo, the brother here is a Yankee. The brother here talk like a Yankee was born and dead for umpteen years. You get me? I say. So me go so I make a comment. His message is good, we're not bashing message. The message is good. See? But me know say enough Jamaican now go understand that. You see me I say? And all the way I say, cause him want be like Beanie Man pan the drinks champs for the year. You see me? So anyway, I go so I make a comment under that video there. What the year? See, 19 hours ago, 19 hours ago, I made the comment, which was yesterday. See? So I said, Donald Trump just deport your back a yard. Cause I tell you, I think a yard, the man there, the video look like, it have some poor quality issues where would assume say a Jamaica him there. So I said, Donald Trump just deport your back a yard. You see? I thought it was him. Cause I see Nick One Law say, Bomba clot. Zin? And then I laugh and I like the comment. You see me I say? So me go so boom. And I see some like the comment. You see me? When I did see it. This I say a 2 hour ago the comment come in. But watch you now. Me go so boom. And get up this morning now. And when I get up this morning, I see notification come in. I said Gerald Jerome One Law reply to my comment with a video. That was what the notification said. So, I say wait. I'm get up and brush off myself and deal with two things before I take in the video. Cause I said this seems interesting. Zin? So, see the video you will make to my comment, cause me said Donald Trump just deport your back of your yard. That I'm a question to him. So all of a sudden now, see this man make video for come for me. See? So here we am saying this now. Look, cause me there for wonder, I think of somebody different. I would never believe say the same person. Cause look here now.
I already heard that. Say Donald Trump just deported Bakayad. Go suck your mother, what he do. You might tell her go suck your mother. Right now, if me come Jamaica, or anytime me decide to come Jamaica, me I live my best bumbuckler life. Pussy. How you? People like Uno, Jamaica not gonna have no better coming. You hear? Cause Uno like a Uno love war long bumbo clap. Suck your mother body there. How you man? Screw you man.
Alright. So on the system change in background. It's like him go rent a new place or him borrow him friend house or something. And say, yo, I forgot upgrade the thing, you see me? So the man upgrade him place then now. Now it wanna look like foreign. You see me? Now it wanna look like foreign. So but guess what a foreign about a video we make now? The man full Jamaican come out. I mean you do that, you know. The man full Jamaican ancestry. Forward out. The man start talk patois for what? 27 seconds. You see me? Be a bad word. You see my people? So I have to go watch it again. Because I can't believe say I you this way that twang. Oh, I'm left from twanging to patwine from 0 to 100 real quick.
How you talk about Donald Trump just deport your backyard? But suck your mother body there. Yeah, me I tell you about suck your mother. Right now, if me come Jamaica, or anytime me decide to come Jamaica, me I live my best bumbuckler life. Pussy. How you? People like Uno, Jamaica not gonna have no better coming. You hear? Cause Uno like a Uno love war long bumbuckler. Suck your mother body there. How you man? Screw you.
So the thing is with this now, that with some Jamaican them sensitive body, you know. And him, we look like him a big grade old man. We look like him a come from the 60s. See, him should have been a tough heart youth. Him should not get all up in him feelings like that. But to me, it probably like, cause the time span where him take for make that video and put it out and reply to my comment, to me it won't look like a somebody getting him head. Because at first him take my comment with a grain of salt, you know, and just brush it off and laugh it off. But it look like somebody getting him head and say, yo, this boy, I know. And probably through my video, them I get whole heap of numbers. Make him think say, yeah, my worth, him time, them way there, you see me? Either. Jamaicans, we have enough Jamaicans who are just sensitive nowadays. Least look a thing you said. Cause him never know say me I deport it too. I get deported too. So, you see me? You're strong when you really can take the worst thing them as human, you know. You see me? Cause this now I show him weakness. Come see him weakness. Words. Enough Jamaicans allow words to hurt them. You see me? To the point where them want end themselves, dash with them own life and waste time and you know what I mean? Yeah, so we're not really depend on that, but it's just a reminder to the one other, to the clangs, that never a truth still can drop these lyrical bombs. I'm out. What is on that nose? What we are gonna do with bad mind? Get them out. What we do with them tight hole gas skin out?
I don't need them frenemies, I don't need them menses, I don't need them none at all. I don't need them energy, I don't need them menses, I don't need them none at all. I don't need some crazy boy, lady, boya, raise the Rugas, soldiers, all these daily rumors forward. Maybe these youths are woman. We not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry our grace, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not quarrel and trace. I usually I fight me, them try bruising this, I might Tyson me, them try using me, them try poison me, them like scrutiny, but try fighting me, them ain't too silly, them my rivalry, them my jewelry, I try frightening me, them can't use to me, I'm from the sky just see, but I'm too busy, cause y'all eyes on me. We not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry our grace, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all ways, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not carry y'all feelings, we not quarrel and trace. I was you, I be selling every lie, where you telling about the shoes, when me stepping on a Christ, and me denim on a new brand, me bet him over China, it making to your 2, and the taking number 5, and the Beckham make me use, I'll get him all your lives, we be wrecking for the crew, got him yelling in the night, and them dwelling even news, like at 7, them the high, like the shelling, call them fools, try rebelling, so them fine, while them hanging. Them crazy boy, lady, boya, raise the Rugas, soldiers, all these